Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we got an unboxing from my favorite holster company, Falco Holsters, all the way from Slovakia. Had them reach out to me because I did a couple of videos talking about the holster I already got from it and why I like them. I was trying to do this all in one take. I've mentioned them before based off of the holster I bought from them already. This is the A or the 1A. I'm give me a moment. The A221. It's a completely leather holster, and the reason I went with Falco is because Falco was the only company that matched up the Gearson 1911 Untouchable with the Bladder or the Olight Bladder R Pro or Pro R light that I got on here, and they were the only people to put those two pieces together. So they were about the only place I could find a holster, but they have so many options for whatever accessories. I have a friend that I ran into at work a couple weeks ago, and when I told them that Falco were sending me a package and that they had so many options, he asked me if they had a Glock 26P. It is a polymer Glock that apparently he has been having all kinds of trouble finding holsters for, and they had plenty of options for him on there. I just love how customizable they are. They're like me. They don't care what you carry. 1911s, Dan Wessons, revolvers, Tauruses, Glocks, anything and everything. They have a holster for you that they can custom make and send out to you. So enough about what we've already got done. Let's get into the box. All right, so here we go. We're going to open this together. The CRKT for getting through the packaging. I know this is a weird spot to just cut into it, but I wanted y'all to see me cut into it. All right, there we go. Reposition you back real quick. Don't need you falling off so much. All right, so here we go. Last time I got a holster from, they sent me, see if I can, they sent me not just a holster and the mat, they also sent me this little wiring bundler here, so for your chargers and whatnot. Let's see what we got this time. If I can find the edge of the box. Apparently I am challenged, not just doors, but also boxes. There we go. There we go. Whew. They sent me some stickers this time. Better light. There we go. Got some stickers. Welcome to our nest. Your purchase is just a shipment and a bond of trust we share, just like a perfect shot group. We crafted this piece with precision and decades-long experience you deserve. We're honored to be part of your everyday safety. And a neat little sticker, and then all the different things. And we stand by this holster just as we stand for what matters. Oh, Mr. Robert, CEO man, thank you. Just neat little sticker. I didn't get that last time. And here is the first holster. I already knew what I was getting. So here's the first one. This is the Kydex variant, and frankly the closest thing I could get to a copy of what is my favorite holster right now, my Crossbreed Reckoning system. I wanted to get this one so I could do a functional comparison against the two. This one's very comfortable, but this leather strap keeps poking out, making my belly look weird when I gotta walk away, but I don't want to take off the holster. So this is the A9, oh wait, not good light. This is the A904L 2021 version, and I asked them to customize it for me with the addition of the claw here, because without the claw, with 1911s and a lot of full size, they tend to kind of turn out against your belly to where you don't, it doesn't really, you get some printing. Let's see how it fits. Excellent. Oh, I'm excited to use you. Well, you're going to be what I wear tomorrow. And the second one, this is the one that I did not pick, that they sent me to also compare with their hybrid, because the Crossbreed Reckoning system is a hybrid holster system. But they also wanted to send me one of their own to compare with. So this here is the A911L. It's a combination Kydex and leather. Leather for comfort, Kydex for its superior, we'll call it grippy or retention qualities. There we go, retention. So pull you back out of here. Excellent. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted, and nothing less than what I expected from Falco. So there's the unboxing. There's what we got. So I'm going to be starting wearing this one tomorrow, and come check us out again in about a week's time. I'll give you the review for this one, and another week I'll give y'all the review for this one. I will say thank you again, Falco Holsters. Thank you, Martin, for reaching out and wanting to do this with me. Thank you so much for the support. I look forward to getting even more of your products, either if you guys want me to test it for you, or if me just purchasing it, because I'll be honest with everybody, Falco is a little bit pricey, and it does take a while to get to us here in the States with everything going on. It took about 11 days from, 11 days from order to shipment, and this shipment got to me pretty quickly. It does take a little bit of time, and they are a bit pricey, but quality wise, just based off of the first one I got, they knock it out of the park. Everything's customizable. I do recommend Falco holsters, and they're probably won't be the only holsters I buy from now on myself. But at any rate, come back next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to see if that little thing pops up down here. And please come back again, and let's do the review. Either way, you all stay safe out there.